Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to import your wallet in MetaMask. Now, this is going to be your guide for importing your wallet to your MetaMask account using your PC, meaning you need to have MetaMask Chrome extension. So go to the Chrome store and download it. And once you've downloaded it successfully to your Google Chrome browser, this is what you're going to see for the first time, right? So you want to click on I have an existing wallet because we are importing our existing wallet uh, in MetaMask, right? Click that. So you have several options here. You can go sign up with your Google account, your Apple account, or sign in with Telegram. We are going to click on import using secret recovery phrase over here because if you already have an existing wallet, you have your recovery phrase hidden somewhere, maybe for the most part written in a piece of paper and hidden in a secure location. Once you have this, just type in your secret recovery phrase here, like so, right? And then click continue. And here now you can just type in your new password and you'll be able to open your MetaMask account. Now, another way is to go to your browser, click MetaMask. It's going to be this, right? So I have an existing account, right? Go sign up with Google. After logging in via your Gmail, you can just enter your MetaMask password over here. And now we have our MetaMask wallet imported to our PC. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.